Hello, kind regards. My name is Fabian Andrés Pantoja. I am an industrial engineering student. This is the course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Step 1. Comprehend intellectual property. My group number is 76. My tutor is Juan Miguel Olave. This is my cause and effect diagram for the problem. Excessive processing time for registration of intellectual property. Here the problem. Excessive processing time for registration of intellectual property. This is a cause. The problem. Few office, lack of investment, many cases of plagiarism, delay in verifying applicant information, delay in verifying product information, complex process, low resource, lack of government support, excessive requests accumulate, little staff in the area, lack of interest and little preparation, staff negligence. Recommendations. Although the process takes time, my recommendation is that it's very important to register the intellectual property of a company, since it is the only way to avoid plagiarism and to have exclusive brands, works, goods, and services. If the registration of intellectual property is not carried out, there is a right that another person or company appropriates our ideas, and they are the ones who later register as owners of our inventions. So in order to avoid these problems, it is best to carry out the process to protect intellectual property. Bibliography references. Thank you very much.